I have iPhone XR, which is red product. Front screen and back glass are broken and body is also rough shape. Let's remove the screw, take out the metal plate, disconnect all connector for the screen from the body, from the motherboard. So let's remove the earpiece first from the old screen, which contain the multiple sensor also. So this is old body, which is broken. So let's disconnect the SIM tray first from the body. And there are a bunch of other connectors. So after removing all those connectors, it's time to remove the motherboard from the old body. That's a compact motherboard. So let's remove the back camera. That's a vibrator from the which is vibrate your phone. This is a battery which is kind of same of iPhone 8 but a little bigger. So make sure you have to be careful with the front camera because it has adhesive tape underneath that. So this is a back. I got the red bag which contain the multiple component already. So let's put the motherboard back and the SIM reader. Now let's connect the old connector back to the motherboard. Yeah, just gently place the motherboard and then connect the connectors because it has almost 10 or 11 connector in total. So this is a charging board connector, this is a wireless charger, power button, home button. This is the front camera. So the front camera has a 3 connector, so make sure it goes to the right place because a couple of connector has the same size. So be careful with that, otherwise it will not function properly or it may affect your motherboard. So let's put the old battery back because the battery percentage was good, so no need to replace it. So here's a new screen which I already installed the earpiece after put the metal plates and everything. Let's try to turn on and let's see. Oh, it's turning on. It shows the Apple logo. The back looks very good. The sides are also good. So let's put together. Make sure touch is working. Yeah, it's working. So let's put the bottom screw and finalize that thing. And if you like that video, please like and subscribe my channel. And if you want to restore any kind of phone, let me know in the comments. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.